Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we want to teach you how you can convert this a logo or change this tracing object to a colored one so that you can use content aware tracing tool. This is how you can do this. So now you go to a new page, control new, and then make your settings. You can use it, let's say 4 by 5, resolution 700. Click on OK. So now it has opened. So we want to paste in. Let's copy our logo for tracing. Then you can bring it here like this. You can see from this logo. So now this is on, if you check from here, this is on smart object. So please change it to right click on it and then rasterize. Readjust it. Then come to edit. You come to edit. You come to preference. You come to technological previews. After that, then you see enable content aware tracing tool. Click on it and then click on OK. Please, you have to restart your Photoshop. So for that, we'll have to restart our Photoshop and then let's close. Let's not save them. We'll restart so after you restart now, please restart your Photoshop so that it will come under these two. Let me move out a bit. It's here. When you restart it, you can see in between here. So let's restart our Photoshop. So after restarting, you can now come here. You right click. You see your content aware tracing tool there. Click on it. Then you can now zoom in closer by pressing Z on your keyboard. So you see the highlight. You can select. You select. When you bring it, it's automatically select that area. Select it like that completely. This one is giving us some touches. Yes. You select like this. Come in. There's another tracing. It's giving you. Yes. There's a tracing option in. Let's undo that. And then you see the tracing option. Let's leave that. Select this aspect. Nearly. Come here. Select this. Come down here. You see select. Come down like this. You see select it. Come down at this juncture. You see select. Then come here. Select the last one. Last but not the least. You select, select, select so that it will be complete. You will ensure that. Let's undo at this point. When you see that it's not going well, zoom in. When you encounter those kind of issues, try to zoom in for details like this. If the details are too much, you can see for details. Then you can now come here, click on details so that you can see clearly. Zoom in and then come back. Select this. Select at this juncture. You can now select this, select as well. It's probably giving us, let's re-strategize for it to affect it, and then we'll come from this angle. I think it's better that way. I think it's better to have it that way. On that, you can now come here and then select. Let's readjust it. Delete those others. So the last option we can use here, since it's not selecting this particular one, you can now come to your pen tool, click on this curvature pen tool, then you can now zoom close. Then you can now pick like this. You see how you are using your curvature pen tool. You can now pick like this to this point. You can see how it's moving. At this juncture, you bring it like this, and then you click here. It has now given you that shape. So since it's not forming that particular aspect, you can now drag, see, and now readjust the nodes. Can readjust the nodes itself. Can readjust it so that it will fit in better. Readjust it like that. Then same thing you do for this. You come here, you use the tool like this. At this juncture, you adjust. Yes, you try to make this curve, and then you come like this, and then you click here. Since it's not up to that, you can come here, readjust it, pull this, readjust, make the readjustments, and then you can see how better it looks. These are the readjustments you can see. So from here, you can now group select all these shapes. You can just click on this first shape, press shift and hold on your keyboard, then scroll down. Then when you reach at this last point, you can now click on. Then press Ctrl G to group it. So after grouping, you can now select Ctrl G, select. So you have it on a different way. So on this, you can change. From here, you can change the color of this. Can be changing their colors respectively. You have your own colors like that. So you can give it a different color. So please, if you have any challenge in this tutorial, please reach out to us in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top.